Next one is ginger coriander decoction. In Hindi, they used to call, I think, Hindi or Marathi, kada. What we have to do, we have to prepare, we have to take 1 spoon of coriander seeds and half spoon of zira, the cummins, and pepper, uh, 1/4 of the spoon, we can take the pepper. And dry ginger powder we can take, or desiccated ginger, fresh ginger, unskinned. After removing the skin, we can desiccate it and we can use it. So we have to put all these things, we can smash it and mix with water and boil it. After it's boiled, we can mix it with the jaggery or honey and we can drink it. And the same decoction mix, we can use it multiple times, 2, 3 times, so that we don't need to prepare every time. So this is kind of, we can use it for the cold, fever, headache. So all these times, this will be very useful. And next one is betel leaf decoction. So it's how to prepare it. Just we can take 2 betel leaves for one person. If we want to have it for whole family, we can take more also. And we can take a little cummins and pepper half spoon, cummins 1 spoon, that is jeera. And these are the mandatory things. If available, we can take tulsi or ajwain leaves. So these also if we add, that will give more value to that decoction. So just we can make it into the bitter leaves, we can make into small pieces and we can uh, crush pepper and jeera and we can mix it with water and boil it and drink it with by adding jaggery or honey. So same, this decoction also can be used. Like for example, if you are boiling it first time and you are taking it the extraction and add 1 glass of water or 2 glass of water, boil it again, and after some time, maybe after 1 hour or 2 hours, you can take it again. So the same will be useful for 2, 3 times. And the next one is a simple pepper decoction. Just we can take for one person, I'm telling, we can take around 8 to 9 pepper and we have to fry it little, mud pot or normal pot pan. And we can add 3 spoon of jaggery. When we are mixing it with, it will become kind of paste, and then we can add 1 glass of water, 1 or 1.5 glass water. We have to let it boil. After boil, we can add little baby neem leaves, tulsi, and ajwain leaves, and we can close the lid. We can keep it closed. This we can add it after we switch off the stove. And after adding, we can close the lid. We can let it be there for next 10, 15 minutes. After that, we can filter it and drink it. Next one is a simple herbal tea. How we can prepare the herbal tea? There are multiple ways. I am giving a simple way. We can take any of the leaves, tulsi leaves, ajwain leaves, or neem, whatever. Guava, mango leaves also we can take. Pudina, coriander leaves. If we want to take it as a masala smell, we can add clove or any other masala related items. We can add it, and we have to add water and boil it. After getting it boiled, we can add jaggery or honey. We can take it. So this is very simple preparation. We can take it as per our taste, whatever the taste. If we want to taste pudina taste, we can take pudina. Or if we want to taste tulsi, we can take tulsi. So something as per our favorite smell, favorite taste, we can take it. And the next one is drumstick leaf soup. So I have give the instruction for the drumstick leaf, but you can use other edible leaves also. So what we have to do first, we have to take a jeera, we have to fry it little and add ginger and garlic, smash it and just heat it for some time and make add onion pieces. Here I have shown the sample of small onion, which is having more medicinal value than the big onion. So if you have option to buy small onion, buy it. Otherwise, you can use the big onion also, and then you can add after heating the onion little sometime, and then you can add tomato pieces, and then at the last we can add the drumstick leaves, and after frying it a little bit, and we can add a water, pepper, salt. We can boil it, and we can drink that. If we have any digestion issue or something like it, mostly we can filter and drink it so that the digestion perspective will not have any issue. Otherwise, we have to chew it very well. What are the pieces we have? The drumstick leaves, other green leaves. We have to chew it very well, and then we have to drink it. We can use other leaves like coriander leaves or other edible leaves. We have a lot of methi leaves, fenugreek leaves. So there are many leaves available in the market. We can buy it and we can try with a different flavor also. And another one is porridge. This is very easy for the digestion and it will give lot of energy, quick energy for our body. So when we are falling sick, we need quantity, less quantity, but more quantity. That means it should be digested. It should take less energy of our digestive system, and it should be able to release more energy. So there are multiple varieties. I give the sample of four. You can take either of them. Like you can take 1 spoon of cooked rice, and then you can add water and grind it. You can grind it with water, or you can take 1 spoon of rava or suji, or 1 spoon of ragi flour or bajra flour. Add 1 cup of water. This is I have given the sample for one person. If we want to have it for 2 3 people, we can have some more quantity. So we can add water and required salt, and we can boil and eat it. So this will give very quick energy for us. And if you want some little more taste to that, we can, while boiling it, we can add little garlic, ginger, fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds, you can keep it in water some more time, some early, like 1 hour 2 hours, so that it will be cooked very easily. So you can add these things also, that will increase the value, medicinal value of this porridge. And even though it's easily digestible, I don't recommend to have it in the big quantity, because this time our digestive system should not take more time to digest this food. So have it like 1 cup. Even after having it, you should feel little hungry. So that is the limit you should know, so that you don't take it full of stomach. And herbal steam bath. Now we can